Now in this section we will see the personnel involved in data science. They are nothing but the data analyst. So data scientist is the one who is responsible for collecting, processing and performing statistical analysis of data, and data analysts are also responsible for collecting, processing and performing the statistical analysis of data. Their skills may not be as advanced as data scientists, because definitely the question that comes to in our mind that if both are having the same things, then what is the difference? So data scientist requires very advanced skills, but it is not mandatory that data analyst should have that skills. They should know about the algorithms, but their goals are same, their ways are different. They are trying to discover how data can be used to answer the questions as well as to solve the problems. Now we will see the roles and responsibilities of a data analyst. So their role is to create data summaries that will facilitate the team in determining if there are problems, jump starting a problem solving discussion and evaluation of impact of solutions and fidelity of implementation. Means, and the general responsibilities of preparing the summary and the reports. Means we can say that they should have the expertise at the level that they should work with IT teams, management and data scientists to determine the organizational goals. Their responsibility is to mine the data from primary as well as secondary storage and sources. They should clean and prune data to discard the irrelevant information. They should analyze and interpret the results using standard statistical tools and techniques. They should pinpoint the trends, correlations, and patterns in the complicated data sets. They should identify the new opportunities for process improvement. They should provide the concise data reports and clear data visualizations for management. They should be capable enough to design, create, and maintain the relational databases and data systems. Data analysts are sometimes called as junior data scientists, or in fact, they are also called as data scientists in training. So instead of being free to create their own big data projects, they may be limited to tackling specific business tasks using the existing tools, systems, and datasets. Now, the skills that are required for data analyst are technical skills as well as the business skills. So in technical skills, yes, of course, statistical methods and packages very important. That is again linear algebra, calculus, R programming, Python, that is very necessary. MATLAB is necessary. SQL database and NoSQL database, both query language they should know. Database designing they should know. Data cleaning, data visualization, data munging, working knowledge of Hadoop and MapReduce they should know. Machine learning techniques, that is very required. Now the business skills that are required are analytic problem solving. So in that, employing the best practices to analyze large amount of data while maintaining intense attention in detail. They should have effective communication. Using reports and presentations, they should be able to explain the complex technical ideas and methods of audience of any layer. Creative thinking, that is critical thinking, is also required. That is questioning established business practices and brainstorming new approaches for data analysis. Strong Microsoft Excel skills, yes, this is very necessary that they should have a very strong hands-on on Microsoft Excel. They should have the industry knowledge, that is understanding what drives are there for choosing this industry, how the data can contribute to the success of company as well as organization strategy. Now definitely the thing that comes to our mind, that what is difference between data science and data analysis then. So it is very important to know that data science and data analysis are similar, but some differences are there. That data science is providing the strategic insights into the world, whereas the data analysis is providing the operational observation into the issues. In data science, mathematical, technical, and strategic knowledge is very mandatory. In data analysis, visualization and analysis skills are required. Data science deals with big data. In data analysis, it is not very necessary that the data will be big data always. So this is all about the data analyst, their responsibilities, the skills that are required for the data analyst posts. Now in the next section we will see who are data engineers, what are their responsibilities and what skills are required. Thank you.